In today's video, we're diving into how to set up a child's bank account with Santander. First off, Santander offers the 123 mini current account specifically designed for children and young people aged between 13 and 17 in the UK. It comes with a fantastic 3% monthly interest on balances between £1,500 and £2,000, along with a contactless debit card or cash card. For children under 13, the account needs to be opened in trust and managed by an adult trustee. The trustee must be over 18, have parental responsibility for the child, and have a Santander personal current account. To start the process, choose the right bank and account type, gather the required documents like identification for both the adult and the child, and complete the application with an initial deposit. So, if you're ready to teach your child financial independence and responsibility, Santander's 123 mini current account could be a great way to start their financial journey. Don't forget to check out the key documents for more information. That's a wrap for today.